Here to talk to you today about the Brad Power product line and some new options and new specs that we have for the product line, and wanted to bring you up to date on that. A couple things. First and foremost is the trunk line in the Brad Power system has been increased from a 25 amp rating to a 32 amp rating. So this provides a little more headroom and the addition of possibly one, maybe two or more motors onto a trunk and drop distributed motor control system. So there's an advantage to that. In addition to that, we are offering some new options on the cables that are offered. Many customers have applications where the trunk line itself has to be placed into a rolling track or in some type of a flexing operation. We now have continuous flex rated cables that we can provide for that trunk connection. In addition to that, other customers have asked for different color rotation on the inner conductors. Right now we use a black, white, red, green combination. We're also now offering 3 black leads, L1, L2, L3, and a green-yellow ground for those customers that require that. Another option is some of our customers, because of the aesthetic on their machine or just their desire to make the power system a little less conspicuous, where we've done an all-black construction, black cable, black overmold, and in some cases we can even do the couplers in a black color if that's what the customer desires. So these are some features or options that we have that people may not have been aware of in the past. Some of the other things that we're now offering, or actually we have offered on the trunk connection, is what we call an alt key design. We've had some customers where they've wanted to lay out a parallel system but prevent intermating between them, and so that's where the alternate key comes in. One can't be plugged into the other. Well, now we've expanded that to also do the same thing on the drop connection. Previously we only had a single style for that. We now have this alternate key design. Where that's important is if in the customer system they are also running a 24 volt DC auxiliary power. Predominantly that gets connected with a 4-pin mini change. So now with this alt key design, we've eliminated the possibility of a 480 volt system being misconnected with a 24 volt DC system. So there's that added safety benefit from that. A couple of other things that we have now is a new set of locking clips to go over the connectors themselves after they're mated together. Some customers desire this as an added safety feature, if you will, to prevent someone from inadvertently disconnecting the connectors while under load. So we have an enhanced locking capability on it. It's a clamshell design, whereas previously it was a 2-piece clip. We've gone to a clamshell design. And also we've added a tether, which allows you to tie the clip to the cable of the cord set, and thus when it's opened up, prevent it from falling down into the equipment and being lost or falling away and not being able to get it back again to put it back into position. So that's some of the new things that we've added to the product line, and just wanted to make you aware of expanded capabilities that we have and make the whole Brad Power product line more user-friendly. So if you need additional information on this, please go to molex.com and research Brad Power products.